two-wheel drive C1500 GMT 400. So 88 to 98, two-wheel drive. Weight is on the lower control arm. Jack is in there for safety. We're going to start by removing the nuts off of the cam bolts. Came out here to take those knockouts for the alignment out. I go to take off this bolt. I just had an alignment. Okay, now we have our cam bolts removed. Make an attempt at just see, it's all we need. But try not to put too much stress on this brake line. So rotate your spindle forward a little bit to give you some room. Touch back in a second. So rolled that forward so there's no more stress on the brake line. And this little perforated area right here that you can see in the anti-seize is what we're looking to remove. There's one on each side, on the inside, and I'm going to show you the easy way to do it. This here is my tool of choice because I beat on the other ones with a hammer. It didn't come out so well. And then the second one I did, I used these and it worked great. Now I'm going to open them up all the way. Put them in the hole and just pry. First one's already loose. And the second one is gone. There's one half. And there's the other. Repeat on the other side and reinstall. And now you can get all of your alignment specs.